Welcome to our Sodium Friday, August 23rd. US stocks closed higher after Fed Chairman Jerome Powell suggested a possible interest rate cut in September due to declining inflation risks. Led by strong earnings from major companies such as Nvidia, Apple, and Tesla, the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite Index all recorded gains. Financial stocks hit new record highs, signaling market confidence. All three major indexes ended the week with solid gains. According to economic data, Baker Hughes reported that the total number of oil drilling rigs operating in the US remained stable at 483 this week. Fed Chairman Powell, speaking at Jackson Hole, hinted at an imminent interest rate adjustment and stressed that future decisions will be data-driven without a specific timing or size. All 11 major sectors of the S&P 500 closed higher, with real estate stocks leading the way. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.14% to close at 41,175.08. The S&P 500 ended